Good morning, dear students. Once again, proceeding with the same chapter for class 8, area of a trapezium and polygon. And one lecture I have given already, one video is uploaded, I suppose. For the same chapter, I have told you some basic formulas about square, rectangle and triangle only. After that, we will have some more figures about like circle, trapezium, some other types of quadrilaterals. So, after having some basic knowledge of area of triangles, some formulas I have told you, I have written some questions. 4 questions I have written already. So we will solve one by one and see what concepts are there in these questions. Okay. So the first question is, two sides of a triangle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Two sides of the triangle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. If height of the triangle corresponding to 6 centimeter side is 4 centimeter. Let us see. First question. We have a triangle ABC. We can give the names. Two sides of the triangle are 6 and 8. Let this side be 6 centimeter and this side be 8 centimeter. If height of the triangle corresponding to 6 centimeter side is 4, corresponding to 6 centimeter side, this is 4. Okay, this is height. Find the area of the triangle and height of the triangle corresponding to 8 centimeter side. If this is 8 centimeter side, so this will be the height. We don't know. Let this be L and this be M. As we all know, area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. 1 upon 2, base is 8, height is this, but we don't have height. So we'll take base as AB and height as CL, which is given already. So 1 by 2 into base is 6 and height is 4. 2 3s are 6 and 3 4s are 12 centimeter square will be the height, area of the triangle. Now, the triangle is same, but the base is different. Once again we can write area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Area of triangle we have got 12 in place of 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. But now the new base is 8 and we don't have height, that is for base 8 the height is AM. We have to find AM, that is height. So 2 4s are 8 and AM will be 12 upon 4, that is 3 centimeter. Okay. For the same triangle, I have told you we'll have 3 perpendiculars and 3 bases. If we take this one, the base, perpendicular will be this one. If this AB is the base, perpendicular from C will be the perpendicular, and if we take AC as base, perpendicular drawn from B will be the height of the triangle. Okay. Now, second question. Second question is, first one as we have done, I can erase. Yes. Now second question is, the area of an equilateral triangle is 144 centimeter square. I have told you, this is question number second. If you remember the formula, area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay. So area of equilateral triangle is given 144. Root 3 is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. So we have to find the side. So side square we can write. Side square is equal to 4 will come this side, root 3 will come downward. 144 root 3 into 4 upon root 3. Root 3 cancel. So only side we have to get. So we'll get under root 144 into 4. As we all know, 144 is the square of 12 and 4 we can write 2 into 2. So 112 will come out and 12 will come out. So 12 2s are 24 centimeter will be the side of the triangle. The equilateral triangle is of 12 centimeter side. We have to find its perimeter. If we have got side, then perimeter of equilateral triangle will be 3 into side. 3 into side means 3 into 24. 24 3s are 72 centimeter will be the perimeter of the triangle. Now, please note it down, pause the video wherever required and note the answer, okay? Now, let us see the third question. Second one I can erase, I suppose. Okay, now third question is, find the area of the right angle triangle with hypotenuse 40 centimeter. Let us make one right angle triangle. Question number third. A, B, C. Hypotenuse is 40 centimeter and one of the other two sides is 24. Any one of them is 24. Let us write here 24 centimeter. And let this be x. We don't know. We have to find the area. Okay. Find the area of the right angle triangle with hypotenuse 40 centimeter and one of the other two sides is 24 centimeter. Okay. So to find out the area of a triangle, we need base and height. We don't have base. We have height because 90 degrees here. So if we have a right angle triangle, very easily we can find BC by applying what? Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 40, perpendicular I have 24 and base we don't know. So base square will be 40 square minus 24 square. We have one formula, 40 plus 24 and 40 minus 24, a square minus b square we can apply. 40 minus 24 16, 40 plus 24 64, 40 minus 24 16. So base square will be 64 into 16, so base will be under root 64 into 16. Square root of 64 is 8, square root of 16 is 4, 32 will be the base, 32. Now we can find out the area of the triangle. So area of triangle will be half into base into height, half into, now base we have is BC and height we have is AB. So base is 32, height is 24. So 1 upon 2, 32 into 24, 16, 384 centimeter square will be the area of the triangle. Okay. Now, the fourth question is, the lengths of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 4:5:3. The ratio is given, ratio of sides, question number 4. Okay, ratio of sides are given 4:5:3 and the perimeter is 96. Okay, now perimeter is given and ratio of sides are given. So first of all you will write, let the sides be 4x, 5x and 3x respectively. Now if perimeter is given, so sum of all the three sides are given. 96 centimeter, 4, 5, 9 and 3, 12x is equal to 96. X will be 96 upon 12. 12 8 so value of x we have got. If we have got the value of x, then we can find the sides. 4x, 5x and 3x. 4 into 8, 5 into 8, 3 into 8. 4 8s are 32 centimeter, 5 8s are 40 centimeter, 8 3s are 24 centimeter. Now we have got the real sides of the triangle 32, 40 and 24 and we have to find the area of the triangle. As we all know, area of triangle is equal to under root s, s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Why? Because all the three sides are different. So first of all, listen, we have perimeter already given 96. That is s is given 96. Sorry, 2s is given. So s will be 96 upon 2, 48 centimeter. Now put the values here. 48 minus 32, 48 minus 40, and 48 minus 24 centimeter. Let us solve this. We will get 48 into 48 minus 32, 8 minus 2, 6, 4 minus 3, 1. 48 minus 40 will be 8, 48 minus 24 will be 24. Now, we can write 48 as 2 into 24, 16 we can write 8 into 2 into 8 into 24. Why I have written this? Because we had 124, so 24 pair will be there, 24. 2 and 2 are there, so 1 2 will come out, and 8 and 8 are there, so 1 8 will come out. So 24 into 16, 384 centimeter square will be the area of the triangle. So there were some basic questions about area of triangles, you can say. In our next exercise or next video, I will tell you some more formulas with some more interesting questions. Okay, till then please practice them. Thank you so much. See you soon.